Hello, friends. Dr. Dhawan here. So, we are in the last 10 days of the preparation cycle. So, I think this is the right time to connect now. Let's practice certain things again and again and again that we will not be scared of the outcome. This is what we have to practice every day, every night in the remaining days, that we will not be the scared of the outcome. जो होगा देख लेंगे, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, हम अपना बेस्ट करते चले जाएंगे. We'll do our best revision, we'll do our best of things possible. We will not really panic thinking what will happen if the paper is difficult, what will happen if the result is not as per my expectation. That is overthinking about the whole exam. Right now you have the time in hand, you can revise as much as you can. Believe me, I'm telling you from my own personal experience that whatever we revise in the later part of the preparatory cycle is definitely more fresh in our mind, and we are more sure about the answers. The confusion between B and C, A and D are lesser, and you do that question with a lot of confidence. So do not waste this time in thinking about the anticipatory failure or problems which can crop up during the exam or after the exam. As far as the result is concerned, let's be together, let's be really in a lot of harmony with our own self, that we know we are not perfect, but we are optimally knowledgeable to pass the exam. This is what should keep on beating within you. This should keep on oscillating within you every moment, that okay, I'm not really the perfect, I'm not really super brilliant, okay, agreed, but I'm definitely much more knowledgeable than I was when I came back from the my medical college time. Until now, today, I know a lot more than that time actually, and this is optimal. This is sufficient enough to pass in this exam. Only thing is, I will maintain my tranquility, my stability in these whole days. बेटा शांत रहेंगे, खुश रहेंगे, और एकदम एकदम प्यार से पढ़ते पढ़ते हम लोग पेपर देने चले जाएंगे भगवान का नाम लेके. Let's pray for ourselves, let's pray for our friends also, and appear in the exam. And only one thing keep in mind, हम अपना बेस्ट करेंगे अभी भी, एग्जाम वाले डे भी. बाकी जो होगा देखा जाएगा. सो द टाइटल, यू हैव टू कीप रिमाइंडिंग योरसेल्फ, बाकी जो होगा देखा जाएगा. मैं अपना बेस्ट करने जा रहा हूँ, एंड वी विल डू इट बेटा, विल डेफिनेटली डू इट. थैंक यू वेरी मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल बच्चे. बाय बाय, सी यू सून अगेन.